Hello everyone, welcome to Blender Art LTS. It's our own channel. If you haven't subscribed it yet, please subscribe. Uh, your subscription makes me motivate to prepare videos like this. And today's video, we are going to discuss that how can we prepare different curve force field or more than one curve force field in the scene. So what I have right now, I have a helix curve that I prepared from going into the curve here and sim no not this profile and helix 3D. From here now you can change the settings and create the curves like this. So I'm going to delete this. It is the same curve, and at the starting point of the curve now we need to figure out that which is the starting point of the curve. So how can we figure it out? So just we need to click on the force field and uh, curve guide. So the circle which is without dash line on the curve force field where we have applied on the curve is the starting point, and the circle which is with the dash lines is the ending point of the curve force field. So uh, uh, it's basically when we use our curve force field as a force, and we need to keep our emitter object at this point, exactly at this point. When we keep uh, our emitter on this starting point of the curve, then it exactly follows the path. And if it is somewhat here and there, it follows the path, but it's not on the curve. So to follow these particles on the curve, we need to exactly place over the center point or any vertex here, and then you can apply uh, a particle system on it, so it follows the path. Now let's get into it. I applied curve force field, and I need to apply one I have applied a particle system on it. There is particle system on it. I The setting is like this. Only I have changed it to 150 and it is 200. So now you can see if I play this, the particle is following the path like this. Okay. So to make it more clearly visible, what I do, I can create meta ball here, and here in the particle render from object, and I'll select this. So is it is visible actually, but the thing is, yeah, I need to increase or decrease the value a little bit so that it visible. Except, okay, and here in, we can also increase the number of particles here, like 5,000. Okay, now you can see the particle is moving like a liquid or water to the upward direction from this ending point. Just what you need to do, you need to hit the back button. As you can see, the particle is baked, and now you can remove the uh, curve force field from here. The particle will follow the same path because we already baked it. Now we are using different force field. So what I'm going to do, I am creating this duplicate of this helix, shift D, upward little bit like this. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to give one more force field on it, which is a curve guide. And now I need to switch the direction. So what I'm going to do, I'm going into the edit mode, rotate, and 180. So now you can see, rotate little bit like this. So it put visible. Yeah. Now you can see the starting point comes upward and ending point comes downward. So it's the reverse direction from this point. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this emitter object, and by using shift S and cursor to selected, I'm going to place this on shift S selection to cursor, something like this. Okay. Now as you can see, it is starting from this place which we don't want, because the thing is, we have pasted our metaballs here which we don't want. So what I will do, I need to, yes, now, okay. So yeah, metaballs also we need to duplicate it. So control C and V. Now metaballs is also duplicated. So on this particle, the metaballs is linked, which is this, and this metaball is here. So yeah, okay, sorry. Yes, now you can see. Actually, I was selecting the metaballs path which is created. So now after selecting this sphere, second sphere, and going into the render tab, from here I'll pick different metaball. Okay. Uh, no, there is no need to duplicate. Sorry, there is no need to duplicate the metaball. It is working. See, now it is started working because we have reversed the direction, and we have duplicated the curve which is also uh, reversed, and we have created force field on it. uh, it would be good if you create duplicate particle system on this, because the thing is, whenever you start baking these particles, it will also affect the same. So what you need to do, you need to select this. Now the particle system is this one. You can name it to 2, and for this particle you can name it to 1 or whatever. So it is now 2. Now you can bake it. So it is in process of baking. Now you can delete the force field. So as it is clear now that force, one more than one force can be used in the blender, or if you want to use another force field like this curve, this path here, I will also make a short video on it so that viewers can get it easily. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create curve force field on it again. I'm decreasing the distance of it, something like this, and I'm adding one different of set different object on it. Should be okay, like cube. And why I place this cube here, because it is the starting point of this curve, and the circle which is test line is the ending point of the curve, or ending point of the force field. This is how you can identify it. So now I'm creating a particle system which is this, something like this, and you can use your own settings. Here I am using my settings just because I have given 350 frames, so I need to cover it here. So the particle which is emitted from this object will follow the direction till here. And you can see these particle systems are working their own field, and these particle systems are make sure, keep in mind that you don't press back all dynamics or delete all back dynamics, update all back, because it will update all of them, and again you need to do the same. So how you can do this? You can press back and delete back. So here's how can you you can here's how you can create suppose this is the emitter which is emitting these particles. So what I did, I hit bake button. So after baking these particles, what you can do if you want to do some changes in the particle system, so uh, it would be good if you don't press this delete all back button, because it will delete all of the backs which is present in the scene or might be in the different scene. What different scenes can we switch from here? Okay, so now I am showing you that I hit delete back and the particle is deleted from this object only, because it is in the straight line, that's why it is not shown yet. So what I hit back, and there are three force field which we are using in the scene currently. I will do the same thing. After baking it, I'll go to the object and I'll pick pick this one, and you can see there are some meshes going on. So what I need to do, I need to increase the value, something like this. And now, as you can see, there are three forces going in the same scene. So this is how you can create different force field in the Blender. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a nice day. Also please subscribe my channel. uh Thanks for watching.